Hello, and welcome back to Wealth Builders Wisdom, your go-to channel for transforming your financial future. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to the heart of every aspiring wealth builder: smart investing in real estate. If you've ever wondered how real estate can become your personal wealth engine, this video is a goldmine of insights just for you. So, buckle up as we embark on this enlightening journey together. The power of real estate investment. Let's start by talking about the immense power of real estate investment. You see, unlike other investment forms, real estate offers something unique: tangible assets with inherent value. It's not just about buying and selling properties. It's about creating a stable, passive income stream that can weather economic ups and downs. From rental income to property appreciation, the ways to make money in real estate are as diverse as they are lucrative. Real estate investment isn't just a venture. It's a journey into creating lasting wealth. What sets it apart? Its unique blend of stability, potential for appreciation, and the ability to generate passive income. Unlike stocks and bonds, real estate is a physical asset, something you can touch and feel. It's an investment that you can see grow over time. The beauty lies in its diversity. From residential properties to commercial spaces, each type of real estate offers different opportunities and benefits. And the best part? You don't need to be a millionaire to start. With the right knowledge and strategy, anyone can embark on this lucrative path. Building your investment strategy. Now, let's talk strategy. The first step in building your real estate portfolio is understanding your financial landscape. It's crucial to assess your budget, set realistic goals, and understand the risks involved. Whether you're eyeing a cozy suburban house or a chic urban apartment, each investment should align with your long-term financial plan. Creating a successful investment strategy in real estate begins with understanding your own financial goals and limitations. It's about balancing ambition with realism. Do you want to generate a steady rental income? Or are you looking for long-term capital appreciation? Maybe you're interested in flipping properties for quick gains. Each goal requires a different approach. It's also vital to understand the financial and legal implications of your investments. This includes getting to grips with mortgages, taxes, and insurance. Knowledge is power, and the more you know, the better your chances of success. Hey, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our Wealth Builders Wisdom community for more insightful content on building your financial empire. Market research and location analysis. One of the keys to real estate success. Market research and location analysis. The where of your investment can make or break its success. We're talking about analyzing neighborhood trends, future developments, and local economic indicators. Remember, the best investment is one that appreciates over time and brings in a steady rental income. The mantra of real estate investment? Location, location, location. The right location can mean the difference between a booming investment and a stagnating one. It's about more than just finding a nice neighborhood. You need to research local economic trends, understand the demographics, and predict future growth. Look for areas with rising job markets, good schools, and amenities. These are places where people want to live and work, and where property values are likely to increase. Also, keep an eye on government policies and development plans. These can have a significant impact on property values. Financing your investments. Financing is where many budding investors feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, we've got you covered. From traditional mortgages to more creative financing options like real estate investment trusts, REITs, or crowdfunding, there are numerous ways to fund your real estate dreams. The secret is finding what works best for your situation. Navigating the world of real estate financing can seem daunting, but it's an essential skill for any investor. There are numerous options available, from traditional bank loans to more innovative methods like real estate crowdfunding or partnerships. It's important to understand the pros and cons of each financing method. For instance, while mortgages offer a way to leverage your investment, They also come with risks and obligations. Similarly, alternative financing methods can provide flexibility but may involve higher costs or different risks. The key is to find a financing strategy that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Property management and growth. So, you've purchased a property. What's next? Effective property management is key. Whether you're managing it yourself or hiring professionals, ensuring your property is well maintained, occupied, and profitable is essential. And don't forget about growth. Reinvesting your earnings to expand your portfolio is how you truly build wealth in real estate. Effective property management is crucial for maximizing the returns on your real estate investment. This involves everything from finding and screening tenants to maintaining and upgrading the property. Good management can increase your rental income and property value over time. It's also important to think about scaling your investments. As you gain experience and confidence, consider diversifying your portfolio, investing in different types of properties or in different geographical areas.
So you were starting your own company, but what expertise did you have to start your own company in the business world?
I had no expertise.
Okay.
And there was really no reason to give me any backing. To decide that I didn't want to do that anymore, but I would take all that money and put that on buying an option on a silver property. And I realized around that time that I really didn't have very much competition. And so I took whatever money I had and I went to Peru and Bolivia and Mexico, and I would put down options on these properties. The story was a little bit flaky and delusional, a New York-based financial type with no background in engineering or geology, starting a mining company.
However, remember, the best time to start is often now, with the right preparation and knowledge. What if the market crashes? It's a valid concern. Real estate, like any investment, carries risks. The key is to invest wisely, diversify your portfolio, and be prepared for market fluctuations. How much money do I need to start? This varies widely. You can start small, perhaps with a joint investment or a low-cost property. The goal is to get started and grow your investment over time. As we reach the end of our exploration into real estate investment, remember that this journey is about patience, learning, and adaptation. The world of real estate is constantly evolving, and so should your strategies. Embrace the challenges and celebrate the successes. With each investment, you're not just buying property, you're building a foundation for your future. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and subscribe to Wealth Builders Wisdom for more insights into smart investing and achieving financial freedom. Stay tuned for more content that will help you grow your wealth, one smart investment at a time.